Welcome to HWM Aston Martin and welcome to this 2018 on a 67 plate DB11 V8 Coupe. This car I know pretty well myself as I helped specify it when it was new to its one owner. The car has travelled 38,500 miles in that time and has had pretty much all the services off the service plan done with ourselves. This is quite a unique spec. It's a great colourway, but nice and simply done. As you can see, it's finished in Concours silver, or Concours blue, sorry, which was the colour of the 177, which was shown at Villa d'Este. And it was an original concept colour. Now that colour's evolved a little bit onto Concours blue, but that is the history behind the colour. So this car has a lot of bright work on the outside. So again, as I say, nice and simply done with the bright finish front grille. We also have the brushed aluminium side strake in the side of the car, along with the bright finish tailpipes on the back, which we'll show you that in a second. We also have the standard finish rim for DB11, but in the shadow chrome finish. And we also have the red brake calipers, which feed on through into the interior a bit later on in the video. DB11 have a few options for the roof colour and also the roof strake, but you could have these in black or brushed aluminium, or you could have a black roof. This particular car has got body painted roof and roof strake, along with the mirror caps as well. So moving around to the back of the vehicle, we have the red rear lights. So when we were specifying the car, we went with the red calipers and the red rear lights, and then as I say, we ran that through onto the interior. We have the chrome finish badging on the back of the car, and as I say, we have the chrome tailpipes as well. So the lower body pack on this car is gloss black, as you can see, which runs down the side and then also round the front. But what we'll do is we'll show you on the interior, and we'll show you some of the uniqueness that's on the inside of this car as well. So moving on the inside of this car, we have quite a nice, unique interior, but very simple and sort of matches with the outside. So we have the full phantom grey leather interior with the spicy red stitching on the seat. So not only in the contrast areas, but we also have the quilting on the seat centres, both on the squab and also on the seat back, along with the spicy red logos on the headrest. We have a black piano trim on the dash and also on the doors, and then just to match the bright work on the outside, we have the bright finished door sills, along with the vent surrounds, buttons and switches, paddles, and all the switch gear on the steering wheel. We've got premium audio on this car, along with heated seats, and then your standard DB11 equipment like your 360 surround cameras, your parking assist, and your DAB radio and those sort of things. So overall, a really pretty car when you see it all combined as one, and nice and unique, and being an early DB11 and obviously attractively valued at the same time. It is available on our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk. You can reserve the vehicle online for £99 and give yourself a bit of time to come down and view. Alternatively, give us a call here at the showroom and one of us guys will be happy to give you a hand. Thank you.